What's up everyone, Jonathan here from Jopa Tech, and I have another unboxing for you. This is the SweetLF electric razor. Now, I've never actually used one of these before. I made the move to a safety razor. It does a great job. This thing is old school, like, you got your straight razors. I mean, older schooler than that. Older schooler than that. Older than that is probably like stones, I don't even know. These things do a really good job. I shaved yesterday. I have to do about 4 directions for shaving, especially under here. And I get about 3 good solid uses out of one blade. This does a great job. It takes a lot of time though. You don't have the time to do quad directional shaving with this thing. You want something that might just get the job done a little bit faster. So this brings in the SweetLF electric razor. I found this thing on Amazon for $57. It's really nice to see that 29,000 people took the time to leave a review for this product. Now this only comes in blue and black. I have the blue one here. And you know what? I'm really excited to see what this thing looks like, how it feels, and of course, see what it does to my face. Because I'm a little nervous, a little skeptical. You can find renewable blades for this online. Amazon does sell them, the heads, the blades. You can get everything. This is USB charging. Let's get it open. Probably close that so I don't, stab myself accidentally after. All right, so in here we have the unit itself. Inside this bag, we have the USB cable as well as a little getting started guide. Double-sided brush, and they provided micro USB cable. Wow. SweetLF. Dear customers, SweetLF focuses on the best user experience. The return or exchange is free during the 15 months warranty. If any problem or suggestion, please contact us by Amazon message. We'll respond to you within 24 hours. To avoid any discomfort on your skin, please clean the shaving heads when using this product for the first time. Thanks. Thanks, SweetLF. Appreciate that. All right, let's take that off. Take this off. Ooh, slightly satisfying. When charging this product, please keep away from water to prevent personal injury. They just don't want to get sued. Okay, so there is a plastic cover. Again, I have never used anything like this. Kind of feels nice. Okay, not crazy loud. It's got about a 60%, between 60 and 80% charge, so I'm going to go with 70. So there's the 3 heads. With a button release, you also have a trimmer. Look at that. Okay. Like I said, it's a nice blue color. The USB charging actually makes it pretty convenient if you're going to be traveling around a lot. And honestly, this little thing, it's not going to replace my trimmer that I do use. I can probably use this strictly for the lines. It does have contouring head, so it can maybe go along with your jawline or chin, which obviously nothing's happening here. Nothing's happened here in years, man, I'm telling you. 20, 40, 60, 80, M100. I heard some people are getting some pretty decent charging times out of this. The head is removable and pops up just like that with a little button in the front. There you can see the inside. Okay, this seems pretty straightforward, pretty standard. This feels really nice. It's also IPX7, so I mean, you can take this thing in the shower if you wanted to and give yourself a shave. Like I said, feels really nice, it looks good, and all those reviews, those 29,000 plus reviews of this product on Amazon, pretty much say that it's competing against like $200 face trimmers from the likes of Braun and Phillips. Again, never used it before. I have no idea what's in store for me. Anyways, thank you for joining me on my unboxing of the SweetLF electric razor. And give me a subscribe, give me a like, and maybe a bell notification thing too, This would really help me out. Let's get this channel growing, folks. I really need you to make it happen. I'm going to keep giving you the best content you want and you deserve, and hopefully I can help you with your next purchase and something that's going to last you a long time. I'll see you in about 2 weeks after putting this thing through the ringer, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care. With a button release... Oh, come on. It was slightly satisfying. This thing has like 29,000 reviews. That's a lot of reviews, to be honest with you.